Deputy Commissioner of Nongpoh District Abhilash Baranwal along with Dr. Manan Kaushal, Independent Director of ITDC, officially launched and handed over an ambulance to Civil Hospital Nongpoh today. The ambulance, provided through India Tourism Development Corporation Limited, is intended to enhance emergency medical services for the residents of Nongpoh district. Speaking at the event, Baranwal expressed optimism that the new ambulance will significantly improve the civil hospital's capacity to deliver emergency medical care to the district's residents.
Good morning to our this ambulance will be put to good service by the civil hospital, and it will aid their efforts in providing medical emergency facilities to the residents of this district. Nongpoh being a district in which accidents are also common. Moreover, most of the critical patients have to be transported as well. In light of all these facts, the importance of ambulance cannot be emphasized more. So again, I would like to pay my sincere regard to ITDC for choosing Nongpoh for this CSR initiative in which we have got this ambulance.